How to delete Stream Profile Badge. I am going to show you how you can easily delete the Stream Profile Badge. First, you need to open the browser from your computer and go to your Steam account. After that, click your profile icon and select the Edit Profile button from the menu. Upon reaching this window, click the featured badge from the left side panel. Click the badge from the menu that is not selected. Once the badge is selected, right-click outside the window. You need to click the Inspect button from the drop-down menu. Now click the Save button once you have done with the selection. Tap the three arrows from the Quick Access toolbar of Inspect. After that, select the Network option from the drop-down menu. Next, click the File from the Name section and copy the URL from the menu of Request URL. Now you need to open the Notepad application from your Start menu. Paste this URL next to the code from the Notepad. Open the command prompt from the Start menu and input the following command into the command prompt. After that, press the Enter button on your keyboard. Finally, you have deleted the Steam Profile Badge successfully.